I myself, Jobin Johnson, URK 19CS1034. So today I'm going to explain you the eighth experiment, that is exception handling. So in the first experiment, we have to create a simple program to generate all the exceptions. That is arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, and the last is array index out of bound exception. So let's dive into our code. So I created a public class, as you can see, a main class for it. And inside it, I've created two variables, that is number and result. So the first would be the arithmetic exception. And after that, I've used try and catch function, as you can see. So let's see whether the output is working or not. 1 second. Yeah, as you can see, it's showing the arithmetic operation divided by 0. The result is 0. And it's showing array index out of bound exception. Yeah, it's correct. Null pointer exception, number format exception. So I hope you understood this code. And the second question is to create a class to represent an employee with employee ID, name, and age as an attribute. And after that, we have to create a main class, calling that main class is employee. After that, we have to create a menu driven function. As you can see, inside it we have to give the employee ID below 4 digits, and the condition is if the employee ID is below 4 digits, we have to throw invalid employee ID exception, as you can see. And if the name is a number, then it should throw an invalid name exception. After that, if the age is greater than 50, it should throw an invalid age exception. So let's see whether the code will run or not. Okay. So enter name Jubin, employee ID is something 1234, age is 60. Okay. Yeah, it's throwing an invalid age exception, as you can see. So I hope you understood this code. So our last part is create a class called account with attributes name, balance, and ATM pin, and initialize using parameterized constructor, including methods such as check pin and withdraw. Create a main class, then perform check pin and withdraw operations. After that, we have to generate and handle the user-defined exceptions for the following situation as given in the question. That is, in check pin, we have to check for ATM pin. If not valid, we have to throw invalid ATM pin exception. And in withdraw function, we have to throw no cash exception if the account is running out of balance. Okay, so let's see. So account is having the base class is this, and the main class is this one. So let's see whether the code runs or not. Enter the pin is 1234. Sorry, 1234. Enter the amount is something 40,000 just randomly. So it's showing no cash exception because I have initialized X 20,000 right now. So if I entered 40,000 amount, it will throw an exception, as you can see, not cash exception. So the code is running very correctly and fine. So I hope you understood my code. Thank you.